Have you ever wished that you possessed a deeper understanding of the people around you? Do you long to forge more meaningful and profound connections with those you encounter in your daily life? If so, you're not alone. Many individuals seek to improve their interpersonal skills and enhance their ability to relate to others on a more profound level. AI for Emotional Intelligence is here to help. This innovative program is designed to help you cultivate empathy, develop your emotional awareness, and navigate the complexities of human emotions with greater ease and confidence. It provides practical tools and techniques. With AI for Emotional Intelligence, you'll discover how to strengthen your relationships, foster deeper understanding, and bring more empathy and connection into your everyday interactions. Unlock the power of emotional intelligence and transform your life today. Start building stronger, more fulfilling relationships now.